Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft's error server are not reachable easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First all you need to do, just type here device manager, click on it, and now after that go to network adapters and make sure to update all those drivers here. Right click update, search automatically for drivers, and then update all of those from the first one into the last one, and then go to File Explorer and go to this PC, local disk, Windows, scroll down until you find System32 and click on it. Now type here etc and click enter, and you will find it. Right click on hosts, cut it, create a new folder on your desktop, name it backup, open it, and then paste folder here, paste file here, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.